White, the Cooking with Cannabis lady, and it's occurred to me that we need to talk some more about the munchies. I've been using cannabis as medicine now for about 8 or 9 years, and I am, like I tell you guys all the time, I'm better. My body works, I don't use a cane, I'm better. But sometimes when you are ingesting our friend cannabis, you do get the munchies, right? Hang on, the cat's doing something really weird. Hang on. You there? Oh, there he is. He's in the freaking, what a weird cat. Oh God. Okay, I didn't know what that noise was. Crap. So it occurred to me that most of us are going to be using cannabis for the rest of our lives. I know I am. And for the rest of your life, as you're watching Netflix and, enjoying your cannabis, you're going to get the munchies. Be smart, because we don't want to all be, wearing moo-moos in 10 years and having diabetes. No. Take care of yourselves. One way to do this, of course, is before you medicate, before you use your cannabis, try and eat a nourishing meal. That doesn't always happen, though. You and I both know that doesn't always happen. So I want to show you how to make frico. Frico. Isn't that fun? Frico. But it's basically baked Parmesan crisps. I want you to be able to manage your munchies in a healthy way and in a smart way. So I'm not gonna get all gourmet on you and shit, okay? This is super simple. This isn't even really cooking. But hang on, the cat's driving me nervous. Stop it! Stop doing that. Stop it. God. Look at this. This freaking cat. He's eating all the plastic. He's eating all the damn plastic. Frico. Basically, this is what you guys do. And these are great because they're salty and crunchy, but hardly any calories because it's just Parmesan cheese. Normally, I don't like shredded cheese because I'm a cheese snob. However, for this application, shredded is fine. And oh look, Trader Joe's again. So all you need to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You want to get a little nonstick something. This is a sill pad, but you could use parchment or foil. And then, this is so easy, you guys, about a tablespoon of shredded cheese. Whoop, just like that. Whoop. And make them like neat little piles, right? What you're going to do is bake these in your 400 degree oven for 10 minutes. Now, you guys, even if you were super high, you could handle this, okay? You could handle it, because I can handle it. So, we've got them on the baking sheet, 400 degree oven, 10 minutes. So, 400 degree oven, 10 minutes, okay? Easy peasy. Now, if you're a sugar person, and many of us are, this is how I handle it. This is really weird, you guys, but you might be able to relate. Instead of a big old chocolate bar, I like to do either chocolate chips or these chunks, okay? So you got your semi-sweet, either baking chunks or chocolate chips. Okay, you're getting somewhere. Now, oh look, mildly salted peanuts. A few of those, like that. Now, this isn't a whole lot of calories right now, but when you're high, it's a whole lot of fun. And then to kind of balance things out, what I like to do is a few of these kind of sour dried cherries, all right? So you got your little bowl of goodness. And you're sitting there, you're watching the TV, you're high. This is what's fun. You go, oh, especially if you're smoking an indica, an indica dominant hybrid, you're gonna be all kind of, ugh, anyway. So this is what I like to do. And then you just make a little perfect bite. See? That's just stoner heaven right there. And depending on what you're smoking, it can take a long time to eat all these. But honestly, you guys, this is whole food, okay? It's not fucking Cheetos or some fake crap. It's nice little peanuts. It's delicious semi-sweet chocolate and these really good sour cherries. This is inexpensive. It's delicious. and it'll keep you and your stony self occupied for a long time. The other thing I really like, especially for you bong users, yeah. Now, instead of a blue popsicle, Garrett, you know what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Instead of a blue popsicle, try something like this. I got these at the QFC, but it's organic juice, it's frozen, it's about 70 calories. It's, you know, it's a fruit exchange if you want to get dietetic about it. It takes time to eat. It engages a lot of your senses. It cools your throat because sometimes smoking can be harsh. And it's just a great way to get some nutrition in you and manage those damn munchies. These have been in the oven now for 10 minutes. One thing I want you guys to be aware of, oh wait, oh look at this, stoners, huh? Frico! Look at that. Little circles of golden goodness. You want this beautiful kind of golden, crispy goodness, and then a little bit of fresh cracked pepper on top. Then you simply look at that. It's just cheese. Aren't these wonderful? And honestly, y'all, when you make these, people think you're like some kind of gourmet goddess, right? And it's cheese. It's cheese and 10 minutes in the freaking oven. So there we have 15 glorious, look at that, ooh, delicious frico. Like I have been telling you for a while now, cannabis it's not only our friend, it is a lifelong medicine for many of us. And once you start using cannabis as medicine, you'll see that your body really works better. But please pay attention. Don't get lazy. And I'm telling you that because I have been there. It's too easy sometimes to go, oh, I'm hot, I'll just eat, it's so great. Pay attention, because as wonderful as cannabis is, it's not magic. You do have to, manage your intake and manage your food. So if you're enjoying a little indica later and you want to get small, teeny tiny spoon, teeny tiny snacks. And if you like the salty stuff, here's your friend. And don't forget the delicious juice popsicles. So I want you guys to be happy and healthy and wonderful, because you are. So again, it's Mary White, the Cooking with Cannabis Lady. And please like, share, and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later. Have fun. Bye. Have you bought my damn book yet? This is a CBD cookbook for beginners. Amazon has your copy. And if I do say so myself, it's really good. Thanks, you guys. See ya.